the most simplest thing like variables and applying some mathematical operators, those things we will learn. Okay. Are you familiar with Python?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then this will be very easy for you. Like if we are taking, since I'm starting the Vaishnav, that's why I'm moving with very simple topic.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, okay. So if we are taking some value like 3, you know what type of variable it is? A. What type of variable it will be?
Integer type.
Correct. So it will give us int only, right? Okay. If I'm taking the variable to be like this, like 6.4. In that case, whenever you want to check the data type, you will use type keyword. Okay. So when you will use type, what output you will get, you know? What will be the
Type data.
floating type? Float.
Mm.
And if you are taking this thing, then what will be the type?
Boolean type.
Correct. If you are taking the data as sorry, what will be the type of it?
It's type.
Which
Class
type?
type, no, ma'am.
No, class. What
No.
is the type of this
Sorry. String type.
string type?
String.
Correct. And if you're taking a character also, like if you're taking X also, in that case also you will get what? Same thing, right?
Correct.
Okay, the same thing you are getting. If it is a paragraph or a sentence, anything, within double quotes, it will be treated as string only, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Now if I'm taking like what will be the type of it? Oh, sorry. There is a mistake.
It's a like list type.
It is a list type, correct. And if I'm taking like what will be the type of it?
It is a set type.
Which type?
Or tuple type.
Yes, correct, tuple. And if I'm taking what will be the type of it? I mean, what will be the data type?
Set.
Set type, correct. And now if I'm taking what will be the type of it?
I can't say.
Complex. Complex system.
Complex. Okay.
That's why. Yes. So these are, and one more thing is there.